Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, power windows, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, day and night rear view mirror, panic alarm, daytime running lamps, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.